How to add the YouTube link on your TikTok. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can solve this problem of yours. So to know how you can do this, watch this video till the very end. Start by opening your YouTube and choose any videos and copy the link of certain YouTube video. For example, I choose this and just random videos I wanna just open. So after opening the video, after some time, I will see the share button right here. Just tap on the share option, copy the link. Now what you should do is go on the TikTok option, go on edit profile option, scroll down, and you will see the very option of YouTube right here. Now just tap on the YouTube option and you can add the link of your YouTube right here as well. You can also add your Instagram by here and add your YouTube and also other, but you want to add the link of certain videos, then what I will suggest you to do is go to your bio option and then you can simply add the option on your bio right here, because one link can be added on your bio. After adding the link to your bio, you can simply tap the save button and then you are done. So this is how you can solve your problem. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.